Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about lookup value formula in Power BI DAX. So for that, like, we will see what our tables we have. So in our model, like if we will go to this models, and if we have to find out our tables, like we have a sales table here and product table here, and suppose like we want to look up our product color as per our sales order. So how we can see that, because our sales table didn't have this color, product color. So if we want to see like what are our order detail according to our color, so how we can do that? For that we will go to this here report, and in report I will go to my sales table. I will click on my sales table. So this is my sales table, and then I will create a new column here. After creating a new column, I will give it a name like product color. Then I will put equal to, and then I will put the formula lookup value here. The spelling should be right. It should be lookup value. And then from our from our product table, if we will go to our product table, and in product table if we will put this product color here, so I will just have to put product color. I will type product color, and that product color what we have to look up. So first of all is our result we want, then the column, search column number, name 1 and value, and next the other thing. So what is our like linking for that? So for in both sales and in product table we have a link through this product key. So we will take this product key here, because we have product key in our product, and even in our sales table we also have this customer key, or you can say that product key is also there. So I will take product key from here. So I will put this as our unique ID in both in table. Then I will take it from sales, and from sales we also have product key. So we have to find out product color, and the unique in both table is your product key in product table, and sales we also have a product key. So then I will click over this, and then we will find like the colors. So we need some relation between these tables, and beside that like we need some unique relations, so that we can find out VLOOKUP, which it will similar work like VLOOKUP here. Next, like if you will see this again, like we have a customer key, like customer education level, and like the in sales table if you want to show like customer key is a column, a common key between them. And from this customer key, if you want to find out first name of customer, we can even do that also. For that we again go to the sales table, and then our this report data and new column here, and then we will add a new column, and here we go, and put a new column and give it a name like your customer name. If you want to find out the customer name, again I will put lookup value here. Then in customer table and in our sales we have a customer key here, and we want to find out the customer name from there. Like if you will go to the customer table, we have a customer name here. Like if you will go there, last name, first name. So last name is there, first name in there. So we will find out customer first name. So first name we will take, with that we have to find out. And from customer table, the common key is customer key. So we will take the customer key from here. Just go down. Customer key, we are not for here, it is customer key. Then comma, and in sales table we also have to find out this customer key is the common data. Then we will close this, and this right arrow key. and just check, like we have the name, first name of the customer here in our table. So this way we can use lookup value in our Power BI DAX. Thank you very much for watching.